I can open a small potato. Potato. Small potato. Diba?
Oh, lagi.
Churn. What we're going to do, Madi?
So now we're getting the ingredients for our recipe chicken menudo.
Sa?
Chicken menudo.
Chicken menudo deh.
So now I'm cutting the potato.
Slice. Madi slice the potato.
Oh, sorry guys. Wow, you're so sexy.
Sandi! Kung makakainit eh. Ba't ko na nakuin?
With the taste. Ay, pinuhon di ay.
Dagkoon?
Okay ra.
Like ko anda.
Asa di shirt ay?
This. Milo.
Puro man tuhang, guro. Puro man tuhang.
Hang to, oy.
Puro hang.
Pero na siya pansit kanton nati patili, hang.
Hang, masad to.
Ang pansit kanton?
Oh.
Di man
Oh,
siya.
now Pia is chopping the chicken. So, how's your experience using that knife?
It's so hard. Maybe it's not a sharp.
Yeah, it's not sharp like what
Yeah.
Don Carlo said.
Yeah. It's not sharp.
Yeah, look at that.
Look at the chicken.
We need new knife.
Never mind.
Look at that, guys.
Look at that, guys.
Sorry.
Sorry, guys. Because of the chicken's bone.
Yeah, it's too hard, but
It's
the
so
chopping
hard.
board.
The chopping board will, when I cut, the chopping board's broken. Yeah.
Explain this, be. Kuya, oy. Explain
Yes.
that. Nagahi kayo ang manok pero mas natunga ang kuan. Sige, ikaw
Because
explain.
of that, we explain my
I don't know what to explain in
the
Say sorry, say sorry, just say sorry.
the
Yeah, you're not a baby, I know.
Today we're gonna make chicken
Chopping
and
board.
vegetable. Hala,
broken.
nakuba.
Oh, gani.
I
So
gotta
what you?
tell Mama.
Look at this one.
This is enough.
How's the kuan? Noodles. The pancit canton.
Taste it.
What did you taste it?
Ibaw ka dipat, isagol-sagol na to na niya diri. Sige siya balik-balik.
Oh, tanawag
It's
yun na.
not spicy. Wow.
Cut!
Oh, cut naman. Action!
Action!
Cut
So
naman.
we're going to cook menudo.
Mm.
First, we should
Pour or put down.
dapat maguna-una pa jud tag maayo hala ay.
Basta mix up.
Next time you take down note to
Fry the garlic.
next
The onion.
onion.
Next is the chili,
Bell pepper.
bell pepper, and chili espada.
Kumain naman, dili pa ko na.
Lagi?
Rice. We already cooked the rice for 4 Filipinas here. You already know, guys. Rice is life for Filipinas.
Gutom mo siya.
Ito. Now, put the chicken.
Number 1, masa duty ka na malapas sa kao, maglabad-labad, mas ulog yun. Pagkuan mo na.
Nagutom jud to among amiga.
Amiga iguli. Tabi, ito ko amiga igbiga. We are going to cook menudo, amiga.
For you, amiga. Amiga, we already miss you. Please come home. I told you.
Sorry.
Abi na ko kana.
Na, nya na jud di.
Ibong gani ko ba? Ano ako nga lang, Miki. Oh, diretso na ko siya ka.
Mas ate,
Korean na pa ni.
ate, mas natunga pa ang kuan ti, ang kana kaysa sa kanang kuan. Sa manok, ang manok, wa jud.
Atay.
Ya bukog ba? Kung diri nas may lubot ka nang iyang bukog.
Ay, nako ni Opia.
Baga ko matong inyuhang sa una. Ay, mabila. Tato inyuhang sa una. Kaya bisag pag
Talon ta lang eh.
tagod-tagod apel kamot.
Luto mabuak.
Dali ra magud na siya makuan sa good lang muligtik. Nasud din tayo mo karon sa ko kapos iya ha.
Ay, mga gilok.
Iya, i-record mo gi. Buang.
Para mahigog mainda.
We're going to kuan the potato.
Ito po yung English eh.
Tapoy na tayo eh. We're going to kuan na to put tomato ketchup. Hence,
Bakit?
may mo pag-aslo mo.
Chicken menudo with love.
Without carrots.
With love. It's okay if there's no carrots as long as there's love, Char.
But holding hands while cooking.
But cooking, guys,
My loves, I love you.
I'm giving a emotional support, Char. Love support, Charis. Ooh. So now, guys, I'm going to off the stove na. Look at that.